Our flipped classroom. Here are some pros and cons we've come up with in our math classrooms with the flipped classroom. The first thing are the pros for the teaching part. We have a lot more one-on-one time with students. We are working with our students basically for the whole class period. There's 51 minutes. Okay. More time in class to work on concepts. Since we aren't up at the board teaching for 20 or 30 minutes, we get a lot more time to work on concepts, which leads us into activities. Okay, the students get to learn through activities, through group work, pairing, performance activities, and we get the whole class period to do these. Okay, more time for performance-based learning, as I said. We get to do more projects because there's more class time. We're not up there teaching, so they can spend 50 minutes on a project, or we can spend 2 days on a project because there's more time in our day. Differentiation, the activities lead to differentiation. Collaboration with other teachers. Well, there's 4 of us flipping our classroom, so we get to collaborate and we share a lot. So one of us is not doing every activity. We really share that a lot, and that's really nice with the workload. Pros for students. They take ownership in their learning. They know that they're responsible. It's their responsibility to learn the material. They use their resources. If we're helping someone else, they'll ask another student, or they'll open up their book and look in their book for help. They learn to ask questions. So it's not just, I don't know how to do this. Okay, they learn to ask questions. Okay, I like this on your video, but when you got to here, I didn't understand what you were doing. Okay, they learn to discuss concepts with other students. They're talking about math now. Okay, they'll argue about math. Okay, it's a great conversation going on. If they're absent, they can just watch the video. They didn't miss a 30-minute lecture. Okay. Also during the videos, they can stop, rewind, and watch the videos as many times as they need. Some of the cons we found were, of course, internet access at home. We did find that GPS helped quite a bit. If kids don't have internet access or are not going to be home, a lot of times they would just get a GPS and come into our class and watch it off of our iPad or off of a computer or off of a friend's phone. It is a little hard, though, because writing GPS passes every day, they don't always come or they got other things to do. But we honestly don't have anyone that has not found a way to watch the videos. Another con is not coming to class prepared. They are behind, but they do use their resources to get caught up, and by the end of the class period, they're where everybody else is. And motivation of individual students. Because it's a flipped classroom and there's group work, the motivation of individual students to work by themselves has been an issue at times. So I hope you enjoy. Those were our pros and cons.